Communicable diseases. When the foreign pathogen or antigen enters to a host body that may be human or any animal causes different types of infection inside the body is called as disease. Disease is mainly of two types such as communicable disease and non-communicable disease. According to the question, we have to discuss about only in communicable disease. Communicable diseases cannot be occur by some external injury of the body. It only occurs by the pathogens when they attack to our body and starts the life cycle inside the host body. Antigens are maybe bacteria, virus, fungus or protist etc. More than 400 viruses are known to infect human. They are very minute and microscopic organisms. Some communicable diseases are cholera, hepatitis and influenza etc. Influenza. It is caused by rhinovirus. They are mostly found in upper respiratory tract. Influenza virus are constantly changing with new strains. That's why they are very difficult to recognize. The symptoms include high temperature, cold, sweating, coughing, sneezing, etc. Prevention include drink boiled water, consume proper cooked food, use boiled water to bath, washing hand before consuming food, avoid outside food. Treatment. Treatment includes some medicines like some painkiller with some antibiotic like aspirin, but aspirin is not for children. Hepatitis. Hepatitis is an inflammation of a liver tissue. Some people have no symptoms whereas others develop yellow discoloration of the skin. Some other symptoms include wheezy eyes, tiredness, vomiting, nausea. There are two types of hepatitis A and hepatitis B. Hepatitis can be caused with virus when virus attack to the human body, or it may be genetic or other causes. According to CDA, control measure of disease and control. Hepatitis A and hepatitis B are very severe where the control measure is only vaccine. The CDA recommends hepatitis A vaccine for all children at the age 1 as well as for those who have not been immunized and are high risk of infection. For children 12 months of age or older than, vaccine is given as a shot into the muscle in 2 doses, 6 to 18 months apart. Hepatitis B vaccine is also recommended in 2 doses, which can be administered with 18 months. Measles. It is caused by Roborella virus. The virus lives in the nose and throat and they infect to the children or adult. It mainly involves in children. Roborella is derived from the Latin word "rube", which indicates red. The symptoms include rashes, redness, swelling, pain, high temperature, body ache, etc. First infected area is jaw and the wall of the pharynx. The treatment is only vaccine. In case of measles, children should be encouraged to drink more water. During this stage, infected students should be kept away from school and other persons. Child should be receive MMR vaccine, mumps, measles, and rubella. Cholera disease. The causative agent of cholera is Vibrio cholera. Symptoms of cholera can begin as soon as a few hours or after 5 days of the infection. Often symptoms are mild, but sometimes it may be serious. Cholera can be caused due to eating of junk foods or outside foods, drinking of tap water, eating foods without washing hands properly, etc. You can protect yourself and your family by using only the water that has been boiled, or you can use sealed water bottle, washing your hands and face properly, brushing teeth twice a day, consume healthy food, washing fruits and vegetables before eating. Symptoms including nausea, stomachache, uh, dysentery or watery stool, vomiting, weight loss.